Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Qualicum Beach is a picturesque town located on Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Nestled along the Strait of Georgia, it offers stunning ocean views and a mild climate, making it a popular destination for visitors and residents alike. The name Qualicum originates from a Pentlatch term meaning where the dog salmon run, reflecting the area's rich indigenous heritage. The Qualicum First Nation traditionally inhabited this region, relying on the abundant natural resources for sustenance. European settlement began in the late 19th century, with the first land title granted to Thomas Kincaid in 1882. The arrival of the ENN Railway in 1914 spurred development, leading to the establishment of the Qualicum Beach Hotel and the Memorial Golf Course. Today, Qualicum Beach is renowned for its charming atmosphere and diverse attractions. Visitors can explore the Qualicum Beach Museum to delve into the town's history, or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the seaside promenade. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the nearby Milner Gardens and woodland, as well as the Horn Lake Caves Provincial Park, offering unique underground adventures. The town also boasts several golf courses, including the historic Qualicum Beach Memorial Golf Club, providing scenic views and challenging play. With its blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant community, Qualicum Beach continues to be a cherished destination on Vancouver Island.
Thanks for watching!